mga damage. Nasa pinakalikod sila ng bahay. So, hopefully may okay sila dito. Siguro okay naman. Just checking kasi dito usually mga elderly dito sa likuran ko. Maliliit yung bahay dito compare sa harap. So mas madali siyang ano dito matamaan, lalo na pag may mga kahoy. So I'm checking one of my friend there. Just checking kung okay sila doon. Okay, so they're the one that got flooded. Okay. So you guys, yung yellow na bahay na yan, one of my friend's house. They are 70 plus years old. But they're American. Yun pala yung ano na hindi nag-flood talaga. Hindi sila makalabas. So I don't know if anything that I can do. So I need to call them and see if anything that I can help. I can walk and see. Actually, I can park right here. Then I can ask them if anything they need. So let's see. Dito yun. Yep. Oh my gosh. Look. I don't know if nag-evacuate sila. But let's see. And hopefully they're here. This is the flood. Oh. So maraming bahay all the way down there. Paikot. So hopefully makalabas sila.